Get ready for one of the most anticipated Adidas drops of the year. The Adidas Anthony Edwards 2 Lucid Pink is finally making noise across sneaker communities, bringing a bold twist to Ant's rising signature line. Originally seen in early leaked images with subtle tan details, the official release reveals a striking all-pink mesh upper paired with eye-catching synthetic overlays and vivid collar piping. Under the bright exterior, Adidas balances things out with a classic mix of black and red on the bootie, vents, and outsole. As fans compare this pair to the AE2 with love, the Lucid Pink stands out for its louder color blocking and sharper performance-driven build. With the AE2 now considered one of the top new signatures from Adidas, this colorway is set to be a major highlight. Expected to drop January in adult sizing for $130, this release is shaping up as a must-cop for hoopers and sneaker lovers alike.